Welcome to this quick guide on how to make a video call on WhatsApp. In today's digital age, staying connected with friends and family across the globe has never been easier, thanks to apps like WhatsApp. Whether you're using a smartphone or a computer, WhatsApp allows you to make video calls for free, as long as you have a stable internet connection. First things first, you need to open the WhatsApp app on your device. This is straightforward. Just locate the app icon on your home screen or in your apps folder and tap on it. Once you're in, you'll see a list of your chats. Scroll through them to find the person you want to call. Next, tap on the chat with the person you wish to connect with. This will open the conversation window where you can see all your previous messages. Now, to initiate a video call, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a few icons there, including the video call button. It looks like a small video camera. Tap on this icon to start the video call. As soon as you tap the video icon, WhatsApp will send a notification to the person you're calling. They'll see that you're trying to reach them and can choose to accept, decline, or ignore the call. If they accept, you'll be connected in a video call, allowing you to see each other in real time. During the call, you have a few options to manage your experience. You can mute your microphone if you need to, or turn your camera off if you prefer not to be seen. These controls are usually found at the bottom of the screen during the call. You can also switch between voice and video calls if you are already on a voice call by tapping the camera icon during the call. WhatsApp's video calling feature is available across various platforms, including Android, iOS, Windows, and macOS, making it versatile and accessible. Whether you're using a mobile device or a computer, the steps remain largely the same. Just ensure you have a strong internet connection and the necessary permissions for your camera and microphone. With these simple steps, you can easily make video calls on WhatsApp and stay connected with loved ones no matter where they are in the world. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful.